What's up, friends and family? Welcome back to my channel, Better Taste Kitchen. This is Chef Colin, and today I'm gonna make you some honey barbecue salmon, so stay tuned for more. For my honey barbecue salmon today, I got 6 pieces of salmon here, washed and cleansed with lemon juice already. And I have some onion powder. I have like 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I have 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of adobo, and a pinch of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And I also have some honey, and I got some sweet baby Ray barbecue sauce and some original barbecue sauce, the Kraft brand. So I'm gonna go ahead, I combine all the season together. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my fish. I wanna season that fish all over, in and out. So every part of the fish, when you eat it, it tastes seasoned, okay? All over. You gotta angle this type of fish with care because they're delicate, kind of soft. You don't wanna mash the fish up and ruin it, okay? So I'm gonna add some honey. This is like a tablespoon and a half of honey. Same for the barbecue sauce. So you see I'm combining the barbecue sauce, different brand, okay? Half of that one and half of the baby Ray. Okay, so you want to do, go ahead toss that barbecue sauce all over it, okay? So I'm gonna pan sear on the skin side my salmon, and then I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. And guys, I'm gonna serve this up with some baked mac and cheese. And if you wanna see how I make my mac and cheese, you have to watch my previous video, okay? Yeah, so I have my skillet well hot, so I'm gonna sear my salmon. I'm gonna sear it on both sides for approximately 4 minutes each, and then stick it in the oven, okay? So after I seared my salmon, I have a sheet tray lined with aluminum paper foil. So the rest of the barbecue sauce and the honey that left, I'm gonna drizzle it on the salmon and stick it in the oven for like 7 minutes because it's pre-cooked when I was searing it off, okay? So it's not gonna take that long in the oven, okay? Look at that drizzle. Watch me drip. Watch me drip. Watch me drip. Better Taste Kitchen drip. Drip, drip. Set a bucket for that drip. Yep. We're dripping. Better Taste Kitchen dripping. So straight in the oven for like 7 to 8 minutes. That's it. Okay. Come to my 7 minutes. Nice and lovely. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Honey barbecue salmon. I'm gonna serve that up with some mac and cheese. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, you know the deal already. I'm gonna serve you guys some food as usual. Okay guys, so I'm gonna serve you guys up some food. So as I told you before, I'm playing it up with some mac and cheese. Think about give you guys 2 pieces of salmon. How about that? Okay, you guys deserve it. Some of that sauce. A little garnish. That's what I'm talking about. Better Taste Kitchen style. Honey barbecue salmon with my mac and cheese. How beautiful that is, guys. If you like what you see, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Better Taste Kitchen have the best recipe in town. Chef Colin, you know the deal. Go ahead and click that notification bell, guys.